Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to talk about the benefits and disadvantages of keto diet on your body and some bonus tips for you. The keto diet, also known as the ketogenic diet, is a low-carb, high-fat diet that forces your body to burn fat for energy instead of carbohydrates. When you eat a keto diet, you drastically reduce your intake of carbohydrates, typically to around 20 to 50 grams per day. This forces your body to enter a metabolic state called ketosis. In ketosis, your body breaks down fat into molecules called ketones, which can be used for energy. Ketones are produced in the liver when there is not enough glucose, sugar, available for energy. Before starting, please, if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks. I appreciate your support. Please share this video with your friends who might find it helpful. Let me know what you think of this video in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe. Following a keto diet can benefit you in a number of ways, including 1. Weight loss. The keto diet can help you lose weight by making you feel fuller longer and by burning fat for energy. 2. Increased energy. Some people report feeling more energetic on the keto diet. This is because ketones are a more efficient source of energy than glucose. 3. Improved blood sugar control. The keto diet can help improve blood sugar control in people with diabetes or prediabetes. 4. Reduced risk of heart disease. The keto diet can help reduce cholesterol levels and improve heart health. 5. Improved brain function. The keto diet has been shown to improve brain function in people with conditions such as Alzheimer's disease and dementia. However, the keto diet is not without its risks. Some potential side effects of the keto diet include 1. The keto flu. The keto flu is a group of symptoms that can occur in the first few days or weeks of following the keto diet. Symptoms can include fatigue, headache, nausea, and constipation. 2. Dehydration. The keto diet can cause you to lose water, which can lead to dehydration. It is important to drink plenty of fluids, especially water, while following the keto diet. 3. Nutrient deficiencies. The keto diet can lead to nutrient deficiencies, especially if you do not eat a balanced diet. It is important to make sure you are getting enough vitamins and minerals while following the keto diet. If you are considering following a keto diet, it is important to talk to your doctor first. They can help you determine if the keto diet is right for you and can help you develop a safe and effective plan. Here are some additional things to keep in mind if you are considering following a keto diet. Start slowly. If you are new to the keto diet, start by gradually reducing your carb intake and increasing your fat intake. This will help you avoid the keto flu. Be prepared. The keto diet can be challenging to follow, especially in the beginning. Be prepared for changes in your energy levels, appetite, and mood. Stay hydrated. It is important to drink plenty of fluids, especially water, while following the keto diet. Track your progress. It is helpful to track your weight, blood sugar, and other health metrics while following the keto diet. This will help you see how the diet is affecting you and make adjustments as needed. If you experience any negative side effects, such as keto flu, dehydration, or nutrient deficiencies, stop the diet and talk to your doctor.